I mean, you couple, like Sukumar and you are the ideal couple in Lionism. And basically, you are involved in so many things. I really would like to know how you balance your Lionism, how you balance your professional, how you balance your, even your home front. I mean, it is beautifully arranged. Throw some light on that, madam.
Yeah, actually, the thing is, if you have a passion for something, you are able to take out time for that thing. So it is that way. So Gynec was my first passion, and since childhood I wanted to be a doctor, and later on when I entered MBBS, I always wanted to be a gynecologist. So Gynec was my passion. So in the initial years, maybe I spent all my time in the hospital and all, but when I developed my passion for singing, then I started. Once we settled down in our hospital, I started pursued my passion for singing also. And since you have a passion for something, you will take out time for it.
Correct.
So
Correct.
this is
Very
what
nice.
it is. So having a passion for a particular thing is very important. So since I have a passion, I take out some time daily or whatever as I get it, and then we pursue. And now, since in this lockdown period, we are having lots of programs also going on at FB Live and all that. So I need to take out really lot of time to practice the songs and all that also. Again, regarding Lionism also, whenever I get time and I'm free, I always see to that I'm there for the activities or even for the Lion club meetings and all that. So that's what I just want to tell, that passion is what it is that
Yeah.
helps me to take out time for everything. So
Passion and of course time management, which you have
yeah, of
beautifully
course, time
time
yeah,
management. If we
yeah,
really
fixed timings I have. This time I'm going to practice.
correct,
This
correct.
time I'm going to do this thing. So that is what is.
And if you have time management, you stick to it. No, it becomes a habit, and you really don't know
Exactly.
that you're doing something, and you automatically everything is done. That is,
Absolutely,
yes,
absolutely right.
yeah.
Right.
Now I understand in this COVID time how it has affected you on all the three fronts, like profession, by even in your personal life and in Lionism. How it has affected you?
Affected in the sense, I think affected. I will not say affected in
Okay,
a wrong way. In fact, it has
positively.
been. Yeah, it has brought many positive things also in my life. See, COVID itself have made you disciplined,
Correct,
basically.
correct, correct,
So that is one most positive thing about COVID that has taken place. Before COVID, we used to lead our life in a haphazard way, maybe
correct.
eating
Very
outside, and I mean, you know what,
so
not following the health tips and all that.
correct,
Because of COVID, now we have become little balanced about everything in life and disciplined about everything regarding hygiene, regarding not eating outside. So health wise also, I think that has brought a positive
impact.
yeah, feedback in our life, positive attitude in our life. In my professional life, of course, not a single day my hospital was closed. We have fought right from day one. We have not closed down the hospital, not even for a day, because since my pregnant patients were all registered with me, I couldn't let them down,
Correct,
basically.
correct,
So they all believed in me, and if we closed down, where would they have gone, you know?
correct. Very
So
right.
at least in the initial 3 to 4 months, we were managing all our pregnant patients, but the general patients waited for some time. And
Correct.
then now we are doing everything. Now the
Every
surgeries have also started and everything with due care, whatever the government has told us to follow. So all those things we are taking care of, regarding sanitization, regarding wearing masks, and regarding every patient, every relative that comes with the patient, we check the temperature, we ask them to sanitize, we ask them to wear gloves, we check their pulse saturation, so
correct,
oxygenation and all that, everything is checked up, and then patient is taken inside.
correct.
So being a non-COVID hospital, so all that care so we are taking. So that is another thing that has additional, that has come to us, additional work. But see, that has made us more disciplined.
Most
That is what
disciplined.
I
Correct,
wanted
correct.
to say about it.
See,
So that is what. And at home front also, I have it has got lot of positive things in my life. At home front also,
correct.
हॉस्पिटल और ये तो है ही, but घर पे भी I have never cooked in my life. I used to say I know cooking, but I have never cooked. But in last 5 to 6 months of my the lockdown period, I think I don't know what all exotic things also I have cooked, and I am like now become confident that I think I am a good cook and can cook for few people. So that is another. I think Sukumar always used to tell me, क्या तू हमेशा बोलती रहती है तुझे आता है खाना बनाना, कभी खिलाती तो नहीं बना के मुझे. So now he knows that I can cook. So that is one thing. Because of that, I have developed. I mean, I always used to feel that cooking, I don't like cooking. So I never used to do cooking. So, but I think because of the lockdown and the compulsion that was there, that I had to cook because no servants were there, no cook was there. Everything we had to do together. So that now started, since I started cooking and it started coming out to be well tasty. So now, so that is how I feel. No, now I think I like cooking. So this is what at home front also.
Actually, challenges, makes you more perfect.
Exactly.
That is very.
We got to spend so much time with each other also. Otherwise
correct.
I used to be very busy with the hospital and all that. But now, because of the disciplined, everything is timely managed, everything, the OPD and the patients, we give limited appointments and all that. So we are getting a little more time for each other also.
Correct.
Previously, like we used to be busy in our own things. So that
actually,
was one more positive thing that has the COVID lockdown period has brought in our lives. So I think actually the lockdown period and all that, I think we have really enjoyed.
See, actually, my daughters also never go into the kitchen. They always were around the kitchen. He said, "Don't ask me to come inside the kitchen."
Exactly.
But
I
now,
never used to know where some things are kept. Where I just knew chai ka patti and sugar kahan pe hai. Chai banane ke liye. Otherwise, I never knew what was where. But I think really some positive things definitely have.
कि हमारा हुनर पहचान देता है ना, फिर उसमें फिर आपको बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Exactly. So many of my friends, started painting, started doing so many. They realized that so many good things they have in them, so which have come out because of the COVID situation.
So Kumarji, I think you must invite us one day for that food, for the exotic food which she is preparing.
Sure.
टाइम ले लीजिए और डिसाइड कीजिए.
Okay.
Yeah. Also,
एडवांटेज तो ये होगा कि इसको खाना खा के मेरा वजन कम हो गया. होटल का खाना खा के मैं बहुत मोटा हो गया.
Another positive thing. Also, the lockdown period, we have enjoyed singing. So we have done more than 25, 30, I think, FB live shows reaching our Indian audiences and audiences abroad. And that, even those FB live shows, we have really enjoyed. We have developed our singing. We have learned so many new songs. Because of this, because of the different themes that we take, we started preparing more songs, new songs. So that has also helped us a lot.
Have these songs, helped you in stress management?
Yeah, definitely. It definitely helps
Reena
you
madam?
forget so many things.
According to Madhuri madam, means what she want to say to all of us कि आपकी प्रोफेशनल, पर्सनल और सोशल लाइफ को अगर आपको बैलेंस करके चलना है तो यू हैव सम पैशन इन योरसेल्फ. You have to be a dedicated person for your passion and for your all work, like all fields, and you have to be determined person for your work, for your life, for your family also.
So passion and determination. These two things are very important.
Yes. Means passion, determination, dedication, and time management. These four pillars are means these are the four pillars for all of us, especially for us as a ladies or as a woman, because we all are working, and जब हम लोगों को परिवार भी संभालना होता है, सामाजिक कार्य भी संभालने होते हैं, और साथ साथ में हमारा प्रोफेशन भी संभालना होता है, तो ये चारों चीजें हमें बहुत बहुत सपोर्ट करती है आगे बढ़ने के लिए. माधुरी मैम, एक चीज मुझे बताइए, इस पूरे सिचुएशन में, मतलब अभी ये जो 8 महीने हमने निकाले हैं, इस पूरे सिचुएशन में आप लोग को कभी भी ऐसी कोई डिफिकल्टी फील हुई है जब आप बैलेंस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं या मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं अपने तीनों कामों को?
ऐसा हुआ तो नहीं है. आई थिंक वी हैव टच वुड, वी हैव मैनेज्ड क्वाइट वेल टिल नाउ. So let's hope to do so in the future months also. We have been very careful and following all the norms and everything. Of course, some of our patients who were did not have any symptoms, and at the 9th month we are doing COVID test of all the patients who are about to deliver. So few of them came COVID positive. Only thing that since ours was a non-COVID hospital, we had to refer the patient to a COVID hospital. That was the only thing. Otherwise, I think till now we have managed to carry on well.
एक चीज और बताइए, आपने लॉयनिज्म जब ज्वाइन किया, आपने जो भी सोच करके लॉयनिज्म ज्वाइन किया, क्या आपको अभी तक फुलफिल कर पाए? आपने जो सोच करके लॉयनिज्म ज्वाइन किया था, आपने कर पाए अपने डांस?
लॉयनिज्म का जो कल्चर है मेरे मैके में तो बिल्कुल नहीं था. माय मदर वाज अ टीचर एंड माय फादर वाज एन इंजीनियर विद एमएससीबी. वहां पे को कल्चर नहीं था. व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो सुकुमार before marriage also and after marriage also, that culture of social service and lionism I have seen only after I got married and after I started knowing Sukumar. So, but then I used to see with what passion even my father-in-law or my mother-in-law or Sukumar used to, as a lion. I think when he was a Leo also, I have participated with him in few activities when he was a Leo also. So I started knowing him since that time. So that again, because of that, observing all of them having so much passion for social service, that also inculcated in me. So then when Sukumar became a lion, I too became a lion with him. And I think because of the passion that Sukumar has for social service, I am not able to give too much time maybe but he is very much dedicated to lionism, and I really love him for that, because and whatever he wants to do, I always support him in every activity that he wishes to do as a lion. I have done camps, gynec checkup camps, have given lectures. So whatever as a doctor I could do, monetary also, whatever the donations and all that I have given. Whatever time, whatever as a this thing I can spend for lionism, I have done that. But actively, maybe I have not taken any posts or anything in the club or anything. But I am like a full support to Sukumar and our club whenever they need me. So that
Sukumar ji,